Hi guys, this is Michelle Grigsby. I'm the developer of buildablog.org and I want to welcome you to my course. I am so excited because you are going to learn how to build an online presence. So let's get right to the first video. So in video 1, what we're going to be discussing is why you should use WordPress. Alright, inside this video, we're going to be talking about what is a blog, what are the benefits of a blog, what are the two types of blogs, and lastly I'm going to talk to you about why you need WordPress. And by the end of this video you will have a very good understanding of what WordPress is and what it can do for you. So let's get right to it. Okay, so what is a blog? Well, a blog is very similar to a regular website. However, it is unique in that it lists articles in chronological order with the newest article at the top. And there's a number of benefits to having a blog, and the first one is that it's just easy to update. So in the past, if you wanted to make a change to your website, you would have to contact your website designer or developer or coder or someone that knew HTML, PHP, or other complicated languages. But because it's easy to update, it's also really easy to add content to it, and that makes it easier to get people to come back to your site. And another great benefit is it promotes interaction. So when you post an article to your site, it allows visitors to post comments, and this is a great way in helping you establish a relationship with your visitors. So when you take these three factors and you put them together, you become a great establishing authority and growing a strong following. So whether your agenda is personal, political, or to grow a business, establishing authority can go a long way in helping you grow your online presence. So now that we've looked at the benefits of a blog, there's another question that follows, and that is, what type of blog should I have? Well, there's two different types of blogs, and the first one is called an externally hosted blog. And this is where someone else hosts your blog for you. Most of these are free and it's very easy for you to set up. But some of the common examples of externally hosted blogs are blogger.com and wordpress.com. And then we have self-hosted blogs, and this is where you actually host your own content on your own hosting account. In other words, you put your blog on your server, and with a self-hosted blog you have your own domain name. And if you're serious about building an online presence, I highly recommend you stay away from the externally hosted blogs, and there's a number of reasons why. With externally hosted blogs, you do not own your own domain name or content. Your content is owned by the company that owns that service. For example, blogger.com is owned by Google. And if you have a blog on blogger.com, they can switch off your site anytime they want without even giving you notice. And I know that's happened to a few people, and so you do not want to have an externally hosted blog, especially if you want to create a business system. So another reason that you want a self-hosted blog is, well, you just have a lot more options, and it's going to become much clearer to you as we go through the tutorial. So from here on out, I'm going to be talking about self-hosted blogs. And with that said, we're going to talk about why you need WordPress. Okay, WordPress is a content management system, and what that does is it allows you to easily manage the content that you're adding to your site, and it has a number of powerful features that we're going to talk about. But it's just really important for you to understand that when I'm talking about WordPress, I'm not referring to wordpress.com, I'm referring to wordpress.org. wordpress.com is the externally hosted version of WordPress. WordPress.org is the version that you can install on your own server or hosting account. And one of the main reasons why you need WordPress is because you don't have to be an expert to start and grow a successful blog. Some other reasons why you would need WordPress is because it's easy to install, it's easy to use, it's easy to customize, and it's easy to modify. However, just because you see all these easies doesn't mean it's not an extremely powerful piece of software. There's a lot you can do with WordPress to grow a very successful blog, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in the rest of these videos. So in review, I've answered the question, what is a blog? I've spoken about the benefits of a blog and the two types of blogs, and lastly I've told you why you need WordPress. So in the rest of these videos you can expect to learn everything you need to know how to start your own self-hosted WordPress.org blog, and I'm excited and I look forward to working with you. Thanks.